If you think only God can help you pass that tough maths test, think again, because the CBSE is finally providing us maths-phobic students some relief.
If maths gives you cold feet, then this year CBSE offers a whole new solution for all you guys. What if I tell you, you will now have 20% internal assessment, 5 chances to appear for a compartment, and yeah, if you happen to flunk maths in your second compartment, you can choose to drop the subject altogether and opt for alternative subjects like computers, music or arts.
But how is this going to help us? And why are the vocational subjects being taken up as the last option? Let's go ask some of my friends. The CBSE has got this thing out that you fail in your maths exam, you fail in your first compartment, and then you fail again in your second compartment, and then you get an option to opt out of maths. What do you think about this?
No, I actually don't think it's right. It's really foolish of the CBSE people who are introducing this. Do you think a child can actually take so much stress till after giving 3 times the test? Won't he be devastated by that?
I think there's too much stress on the students because of maths, and this policy of CBSE is just an unintentional way of reducing population.
I think like CBSE is doing very good, by introducing vocational subjects. If you fail in maths, at least you have something, you have in mind that at least I can take this for a subject. But why I just failed thrice in maths, and then only I can get for the vocational subject.
Is it necessary for me to fail and then opt for the vocational subjects? Can't there be another alternative, like I might get it as an option?
If I don't want to do it in future, why should I force myself? Why should I go from a psychological stress of studying maths earlier? Why don't I take a vocational subject and do that?
We can't be telling people to do what they to tell them what career they should opt for. We need to give children options. We need to let them decide.
Maths is a very logical subject. Don't you think it should be a compulsory subject for everyone till 10th standard?
Logical subject is okay, but how can a person study maths if you don't understand?
When we can give an option for our mother tongue in the 8th grade, then why not for maths, which is in all probabilities a very tough subject?
I think, I don't agree with Brinda when she says that, after 8th only there should be another subject. You're not even giving the, a chance to the person to try it.
Brinda, what do you have to say?
But that trying, if that gives them a trauma in their mind, and because of that they can't even excel in other subjects in which they can, if they don't have maths, then why force maths in them?
But what about students who want to make a career out of vocational subjects like Ashna here?
See, for a person like me, I'd actually be ready to flunk maths thrice also just to get music, because I know I'll have to put in half the effort to pass in something music. It's like
But when you take up music as a vocational subject, they tell you that, okay, this is the person who failed thrice, and they make a fool out of you.
Now let's see, this is the CBSE policy. I don't know where it will go. This is governmental policy, how it should go. My suggestion is give children what industry needs.
Subject like hotel management, which Zan said the industry needs, we need to look on those career-oriented subjects. Hotel management can be given, fashion technology can be given.
I think the education policy is inimical to our career interests. We need to look at what industry needs, what capabilities industry wants us to have, and we need to have industry-oriented syllabuses so that we can have a good career, good job, and we have money to fill our stomachs.
Well, you heard all the different viewpoints. If you have any other, please write to us at ibnlive.com. Till then, I'll go and study for my exams. See ya.